I received a comment on a previous video about collecting coins asking how to make the coins respawn automatically. So that is what we're going to do today. So to start off, we have a simple coin scene with an animated sprite 2D that is just causing the coin to spin. Then we have an area 2D with a collision shape that can detect when the player touches it. If we go into the coin script, it's pretty straightforward. We have an onArea 2D body entered function that is detecting when a body enters the area of the coin, and we're just checking to make sure that it's the player. And then previously, we were just calling self.queueFree to remove the coin from the game. Now we're going to change this up a little bit. Instead of removing the coin from the scene, we're going to use a timer to respawn the coin after X seconds. So the first thing we're going to do is select coin at the top here. We're going to hit the plus and we're going to add a timer. And then the only thing we need to do here is we're just going to click the one shot. And then for this example, I'm going to set it to 2 seconds. So it'll respawn every 2 seconds. Now let's go into our script and make an adjustment here. We're getting a reference to the timer and also the area 2D. On ready, we're just going to connect to the timer timeout signal, and then we're going to call on timeout. And then we still have our on area 2D body entered signal, but we've modified it a little bit. So we're still going to check to make sure it's the player. But instead of removing this from the scene, we're going to call timer start. And then we're going to set the visibility to this scene to false. And then we're going to set deferred monitoring to false. We want to hide it from the player's view, but we also want to stop the player from being able to interact with it. And then when the timer ends, we're going to set the monitoring back to true, and then we're going to set the visibility back to true. And that's all we need to do. So now we can run this and test it out. Well, I suppose.